July 24th, 2022, they're going to install a new pump here. That black thing in the center. And they have a crane right next to it, getting ready to do, maybe sometime today, that lift. Back, you can see there are already some of them installed, and over there, back there. So maybe they'll put this one between the two. Maybe they'll put it over there. On the floor to the right here, looks like they, I'm not sure what this is, but this is another unit as well. Maybe they removed that one and they're going to install the new one. I'm not sure. What we don't see here is the bottom of that. If that is the same thing as what's here to the left, then there would be a longer base. If it's not, if it's unrelated, then it's just something else, you know. So that's one thing I'm seeing here, July 24, 2022, here at the Orbital Tank Farm. They also did an announcement just now. I believe they were saying that the suborbital pad is now closed, and we're here at the orbital pad, so that's unrelated, but that is something that's happening at the same time as now. Suborbital pad, I believe, is now closed. That's where the Starship 24 is. It's got a liquid oxygen tanker unloading. Starship 24 there in the distance. I'll be doing a live stream just after this, and there's the can crusher. People are working on the tower there and the chopsticks. What we can see here is the chopsticks right now. Signing out, Paul S. Mamakos, Ocean Camera Space Corp, oceancam.space.